in a Canadian residential or light commercial installation. A double-pole receptacle is for 240V appliances, while a single-pole receptacle is the standard 120V outlet. Changing from a 240V to a 120V circuit is a common way to repurpose an old high-power line for general use. First, the steps for a safe and code-compliant connection in Toronto and Ontario. Step 1. Turn off the power. Shut off the double pole breaker in your panel, then use a voltage tester to confirm there's no power at the receptacle. Step 2. At the panel. Remove the double pole breaker and install a properly sized single pole breaker, usually 15 or 20 amps. Make sure it matches the wire gauge. Connect one of the hot wires, either black or red, to the new single pole breaker. The other hot wire must be safely capped off with a wire nut and pushed back into the panel. Do not connect it to anything. If your circuit has a white neutral wire, connect it to the neutral bar. The bare or green ground wire stays on the ground bar. Step 3. At the receptacle. Remove the old 240V outlet. You'll typically see two hot wires, black and red, a neutral, white, and a ground, bare or green. For the new 120V receptacle, connect the hot wire that's on the new breaker to the brass screws. The unused hot wire should be capped off with a wire nut and tucked into the box. Connect the white neutral wire to the silver screws and the ground wire to the green screw. If you don't have a neutral wire, this conversion isn't code compliant and you'll need to run a new cable. Step 4. Final checks. Ensure your new receptacle is rated for 15 or 20 amps and is tamper resistant. Tighten all connections. Turn the breaker on and test the voltage. It should be around 120 volts between the hot and neutral wires. Finally, label the new breaker in your panel clearly. Remember, major alterations may require an inspection. A few important warnings. Never connect both original hot wires to the single pole breaker. Do not connect a hot wire to the neutral. And if you're ever unsure, it's always best to have a licensed electrician handle the work. Safety first.